Alright folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City on 8th Street on the corner of 8th and Preston and Saskatoon, and we have brand new Jeep Gladiators. So you'll see two different ones here, Mojave and Rubicon. So what's the difference? They're both very extreme off-road capable. One thing I noticed right off the bat is the different hoods. So you'll see the hood scoop there, and you'll see that hood right there. And then the other thing is, look at the tires. So these are blacked out. They're still the same. I think they're still the same tire, but look at the rim blacked out there, and look at the Rubicon rim here. So that's the main differences right off. I'm not sure. Let's have a look at the front. Okay, that's where we are, Dodge City, right here in Saskatoon. Come by and say hi. Same color, different look. Extreme capability. So you got the fender flares, body color, the new body style. Well, I'm going by the Wrangler. Gladiators brand new to begin with, but they have those lights and the fender flares now. All Jeeps have 7 slots in their grille. Doesn't matter if it's a Wrangler or trim level. Here's a closer look at the difference in the hoods. So that's the Rubicon. The Mojave, a little beefier maybe. Let's take a walk around and make sure we don't notice any other differences. Fox shocks on both of them. Take a peek in the interior. Oh, this one's got the smaller screen, I notice. You can get an 8.4 inch screen, but that smaller one works exact same. This one has red dash. You can get different color dash. Rubicon stitching on the seats there. So I'd have to probably look at the build sheet to see some exact differences. 5-foot bed, recovery tow hooks on both of them at the back. Backup cameras are standard. 4-pin, 7-pin for towing. Hitch. Look at the box. You got some cargo tie downs, corners there. Lighting in the box. This one has the power window. That one does as well. So I think they're fairly similar. So Mojave has orange recovery tow hooks. Rubicon has red. So just some stylish appearance differences. This one is open either. So this one has the 8.4 inch screen with orange stitching to match the recovery tow hooks. And in Canadian dollars, this is, how much is it? 69,000. That's what options you want. So here's something different. 4x4 desert rated, where the other badge is trail rated. So this one will be more for a desert, and this one will be more for the trails. Trail rated 4x4. And that's red, of course. Mojave is orange. So you'll see the red trim around the letters, orange trim. So I like that. And that's even on the badging here as well. There's orange. Here there's red. So there's no different cab configurations. It's just the big doors at the back. And cool little Jeep Easter eggs everywhere on these vehicles. So I noticed one over here. I don't know if this is even an Easter egg, but there's the Jeep logo right here. Pretty cool. Just got some customers out on a test drive right now, so I just thought this would be a good video just to show off some differences between the two, because they are quite similar. They're just extreme off-road capable small trucks. Oh, here's an Easter egg there for you. There's lots on these. So let's take a look on the inside of this one with the orange trim there. Leather face bucket seats. Trailer tow group, cold weather group with the heated seats, heated steering wheel, LED lamps, 4C, Uconnect, navigation, sound group. Okay. Alright. One last look around, and we'll stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and let's get some more videos. Let's get in the vehicles and let's get driving them. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Okay guys, leave some comments below, like, share, leave a comment. Talk to you soon. You can always go online for more information at www.marksugardrives.com. Thanks.